Okay guys, so today I'm teaching you on how to write a product description, and the reason why I consider this um, particular service a very important service. It's one of the easiest services to offer on Fiverr because it's so direct and straight to the point. So I'll encourage you to watch this video to the end. I'll be giving you 3 points that will make your product description stand out and make it exceptional. So I just want you to make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos. Also try to click the bell sign down below. It will help you to get the notification as soon as I release another videos. So today we'll be talking about product description. So first of all, I want you to know that product description is used by most times by e-commerce buyers, that people who have e-commerce stores online, like those who have stores on Amazon and those that have stores on Shopify and so many others. So it's a niche that's very lucrative because you get to write continuously for them, because as new products come out they would like to have their product description written by an expert copywriter. So it's important that you learn easier ways of making money because it's direct. Okay, so first of all, I want you to know that Amazon is a very big e-commerce store, and so many people are coming on Amazon daily. So it unveils an opportunity for you to sit put and earn from the need that they have. So let's look at it from this perspective now. How to write a product description. So let's look at it like this now. The first point I would like to give you today is, one, you have to understand who your target audience are. Know your target audience. Okay, know your target audience. Now the reason why you need to know your target audience is because you cannot write effectively until you understand who you're talking to. Now a product description needs to be written in a way that you're talking to you get to talk to the target one-on-one, like where you're sitting on the table, like you're sitting in a cafe or somewhere, or like an eatery with someone, discussing and projecting your product to someone. So that's, you need to be able to understand who this person is. So in trying to know who your audience is, you must know what they like, you must know how to create the need and then fill it up with a solution. So you have to understand your target audience. So it's not something you just try to make summarize, or you just have to make it direct. My target audience, for example, are men who like to, let's just say, smoke cigarette, for example. Now if your target audience is a man who likes to smoke cigarettes, then you must be able to write a description that will be able to hit him, so that he will know that, okay, I was using Benson cigarettes, but the best cigarette to use now is RL cigarettes. Now how do I make him to like RL cigarettes? Since I know he's a smoker already, it's easier to talk to him. Now I have to talk to him by speaking directly to what actually he loves the most. Okay, so the next point we'll be talking about here is project. Since now we don't know who our target audience, we're taking smokers as an example. Now project the benefits, okay, of the product. Now the main why you need to project the benefits of the product is that you need to be able to make your product sellable. Now if you are unable to unveil the complete benefits of the product, the target audience will not see any reason to buy it. Now let's take for example like cigarettes. You have to outline what makes your own cigarettes better. By the way, I don't smoke. Okay, I don't smoke, but this is just an example. So you have to outline the benefits of your cigarette. For example, let's just say a standard cigarette contains about 50 to 60% of nicotine. Now you can say, okay, our cigarettes contain a total percentage of 10% nicotine, making ours a more healthier cigarette to smoke. Now you've picked out the benefit and used the benefit now to uh, capture him. Nobody wants to die young. Now you say the standard cigarettes could reduce your lifespan by a total of 5 years, but our cigarettes could add over so and so years to your life, something like that. Now, your ability to carry your benefits and relate it to your target audience makes your products more marketable and more sellable. Okay, so the third point we'll be talking about here is you have to be able to provide a simple recommendation. Now, in providing a simple recommendation, now we've initially talked about how to project the benefits to a target audience. Is that not true? And now you have to find a way to relate these benefits to them and then make a recommendation to them. Okay, let's take it this way. You believe you have a better cigarette. Now you're recommending to him that your cigarette is better and it gives you so and so blah 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 blah, line the benefits and telling him that he needs to take action and buy it. Now that is a very direct system. The good part of product descriptions is that there's no beating about the bush. You don't go up and down, left and right. You go straight to the point and outline what the benefits are, project it straight to them. Oftentimes it's best to arrange it within very short write-up. Let's just say about 50-60 words thereabout, at most 100 words. We always try to keep it compact and short because people uh, don't like spending time reading too much, especially when they come on Amazon or any e-commerce store to buy. They always try to go straight, read through, browse through the points and the benefits. If they feel they like it, they just buy it. So your target is to be able to write something that's effective, catchy, and something that will keep their eyes glued on the product and how it relates to them. So the main that's the main focus. This video is going to be, I'll try and make it as short as possible because this is the three main points we'll be talking about. Now let me give you an example of how a product description should be. Now we'll take a look at Amazon. A lot of you might not know Amazon, but okay, let's take a look at Amazon. Okay, I don't know if my network is fast enough. Okay, now Amazon is the ideal place where most products are being sold in the US. So it's important that you try to market yourself. Okay, so this is just an outline on how Amazon is. Now I just said just browse a little to show you how Amazon product descriptions are. Let's take for example, just pick this product and see how it's going to be. Okay, so this is how a product description looks. It's simple. You could just look at it. It's very direct. They don't beat about the bush. You don't write long copies for product descriptions because it won't sell. The target is to outline what the product can do, relate it to the target, and give him a recommendation and make him feel that this is the best product he can find on your store or your e-commerce store. Now this is just a little Age Perfect by Oral Paris satin lipstick. Okay, satin lipstick is formulated with precious oils and rich pigments for vibrant color payoff. Now if you notice what happens here is formulated, look at this, formulated with precious oils and rich pigments for vibrant color payoff. They are outlining the benefits now. I'll show you something else again. Okay, now look at what happens here. Age Perfect by Aurel Paris helps you create the look you want with our full line of makeup, including lipstick, foundations, mascara, and more. Now, they are simply outlining it, just like we said, just like I told you before, outlining the benefits and making it look attractive. Though most descriptions you see here are not written by experts. Some are written by experts, but you don't grade all copywriters on the same level. Now, I won't recommend something like this for you because it's not as catchy. It's not catchy enough to me because probably because I'm a copywriter. So to me, this is a mess. But I will show you something. Let me check to see if I can find any product description I might have written. Mind you, it's been quite a while since I wrote any product description. So let's just take a look. Let me see if I could find something. Okay. Okay, so take a look at this. I don't know when I wrote this. It should be a couple of years ago. Now, Ocel 60-second facelift. Get a natural lift with Ocel 60 seconds treatments and neglect those painful surgeries. This powerful formula is supercharged with fruit stem cells and other active ingredients to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, rejuvenating and restoring your skin's beauty and health. Each application of Ocel's 60 seconds facelift protects your skin and leaves it looking and feeling softer, smoother, younger, and tighter. Now, if you notice what happens here is you have to be able to bring in these 3 points into a very short write-up, and mind you, as simple as it looks, it might not be so easy. You, like I always say, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you learn and you get better. Now, I will recommend you going on Amazon, or Amazon is one of the most popular, so it's best to go on Amazon. Go on Amazon, read through product descriptions, and learn a lot about these things. This is just an example of one of the product descriptions I wrote a couple of years ago, and all I needed to do was, as at that time, was to go on Amazon, get product descriptions that were similar, worked with them, and I came out with this. So you have to understand the basics of product descriptions and then infuse your own creativity. It's important that you don't do copy and paste in product descriptions, because yes, your buyer could actually your client could ask you to write a description of so and so thing, giving you the benefits of that thing and then leaving it just like that. Now, it's your ability to bring in that thing, study it, understand the product, understand the target audience, infuse your creativity, and bring out a very short write-up that captures the attention of your target. So I would like you to try as much as possible to practice. Practice makes perfect, like it's always said. This is just a sample copy. Practice makes perfect. Work on it. One thing I'd like you to know is that product description sells very well on Fiverr, and Fiverr is a platform that you really need to get on. For now, I will be talking about I will try to finish the outline I want to give you, and I would like you to focus on understanding the dynamics of copywriting before you look for avenues where you can sell your service. You cannot sell what you don't have, so you need to try as much as possible to understand it before you sell it. Now, you have the outline with you. Try open Amazon, read through it, understand the dynamics of it. If you have any questions, any comments, leave it for me at the comment section. I always try as much as possible to respond to all the comments on the comment section. If you have any confusion whatsoever, I'm always available. Don't forget, if you've not subscribed, Try as much as possible to subscribe. Click on the bell button. That will also give you a notification anytime I release a new video. For now, stay safe, and I know the coronavirus won't get to you. Alright, see you soon.